Hi, everyone, and welcome back to Natural English Conversations. I'm Sarah.
And I'm James. This podcast is designed to help English language learners hear real, natural conversations between native speakers.
Today, we're going to talk about something everyone does, grocery shopping. Specifically, grocery shopping here in Dallas, Texas.
Right, and Sarah and I have pretty different approaches when it comes to where we shop for food.
We really do. So, James, where do you usually do your grocery shopping?
Well, I'm pretty practical about it. I mostly shop at Kroger or Tom Thumb, the big chain supermarkets.
Mm-hmm.
They're everywhere around Dallas. The prices are reasonable, and I can find everything I need in one place. Plus, they're open late, which is convenient for my schedule.
That makes sense. I actually prefer shopping at places like Whole Foods Market or Central Market.
Oh, wow. Those are the fancy places.
I know they're more expensive, but I really care about organic food and locally sourced products. Central Market especially has amazing fresh produce and specialty items you can't find at regular supermarkets.
Yeah, I've been to Central Market a few times.
Right?
It's like a food wonderland, but my wallet doesn't appreciate it very much. I mean, I paid $7 for a small container of berries there once.
Oh, no. Yeah, the prices can be shocking, but for me, I think about it as an investment in my health.
I get that. What about Trader Joe's? That's kind of a middle ground, isn't it?
Oh, I love Trader Joe's. It's perfect for people who want healthier options but don't want to spend a fortune. Their frozen food section is incredible.
Exactly, and they have those unique Trader Joe's brand products.
Yes, like their cookie butter and those seasonal items. Do you have a Trader Joe's near you?
There's one in Plano, which isn't too far from me. But honestly, I usually just stick to the Kroger down the street because it's so convenient.
That's totally understandable. Convenience is really important, especially when you're busy.
Right. What I like about Kroger is that they have everything. Groceries, pharmacy, even a gas station outside. It's like one-stop shopping.
That's smart.
And their digital coupons save me quite a bit of money. I just load them onto my phone app before I shop.
Oh, that's a great tip. I should probably use coupons more. I have to admit, I sometimes feel a little overwhelmed by all the choices at places like Central Market.
Really?
Yeah, they have like 15 different types of olive oil, and I stand there for 10 minutes trying to decide which one to buy.
Ha! That's exactly why I like regular supermarkets. They have maybe 3 types of olive oil, and I just pick the one that's on sale.
That's probably the smarter approach, honestly. What about ethnic grocery stores? Dallas has some amazing ones.
Oh yeah, I love going to the Asian markets in Richardson. Have you been to any of those?
Yes, H Mart is incredible. They have such fresh seafood and vegetables I've never seen anywhere else.
And the prices are actually really reasonable there.
That's true. It's like the best of both worlds. Unique, high-quality ingredients at good prices. Though I have to say I sometimes feel intimidated because I don't know what half the products are.
Right, exactly.
Speaking of H Mart, I actually tried cooking Korean food for the first time last month because of all the ingredients I found there.
Oh really? How did that go?
It was actually really good. I made kimchi jjigae, that's kimchi stew. The staff at H Mart were so helpful too. They explained what different sauces were for and even gave me cooking tips.
That's awesome. I've noticed that about ethnic grocery stores. The staff usually know so much about the products and are willing to help. It's different from the big chain stores where you're lucky if someone even knows where the bread aisle is.
But that's part of the fun for me, discovering new foods and trying different cuisines at home.
That's a good attitude. I'm probably too stuck in my routine. I buy the same things every week.
Nothing wrong with that. It makes shopping faster, and you know you'll use everything you buy.
True. What about places like Walmart or Target for groceries? Do you ever shop there?
Occasionally, but usually only if I need other things too, like household items or clothes. Their grocery selection is okay, but not great.
Yeah, I feel the same way. The produce at Walmart is hit or miss.
Exactly. Sometimes the fruits and vegetables look like they've been sitting there for a week.
But I have to admit, their prices are really good, especially if you're feeding a large family.
Absolutely. That's definitely an important factor. Dallas has so many options, though. There's really something for everyone's budget and preferences.
That's what I love about this city. Whether you want luxury organic food or just need to feed your family affordably, you can find what you need.
And the locations are pretty convenient, too. No matter where you live in the Dallas area, there's usually a grocery store within a few miles. Dallas also has some incredible Mexican markets, too. Have you been to any of the Hispanic supermarkets?
Oh yeah, I love going to Fiesta Mart. Their produce section is amazing. So much variety and the prices are great. Plus, they have fresh tortillas made right there in the store.
Yes, and the meat department is incredible too. They have cuts of meat I've never seen anywhere else, and the butchers will prepare it however you want. It's like having a personal service you don't get at regular supermarkets.
That's true. Speaking of shopping habits, how often do you usually go grocery shopping? I feel like with all these different stores, it could be easy to end up shopping every day.
You're not wrong. I probably go to some kind of grocery store 3 or 4 times a week. I know that's probably more than most people, but I like getting really fresh ingredients. What about you?
I'm the opposite. I try to do one big trip per week, usually on Sunday. I plan out my meals for the week and make a list. It saves time, and I'm less likely to buy random stuff I don't need.
That's so smart. I really should plan better. I'm one of those people who walks into the store with good intentions and then just wanders around until something looks good. Do you meal prep too?
Sometimes I'll cook a big batch of something on Sunday and eat it for lunch during the week. It's not fancy meal prep, but it works for me. Plus, it saves money since I'm not buying lunch every day.
That makes total sense. What about online grocery shopping? Do you ever use services like Instacart or grocery pickup?
I've tried it a few times, especially during the pandemic. It's convenient, but I'm kind of picky about produce. I like to see and touch the fruits and vegetables before I buy them, you know?
I totally understand that. I've had mixed experiences with online grocery delivery. Sometimes the produce is perfect, and sometimes I get bananas that are already brown or lettuce that's wilted. But it's been a lifesaver when I'm too busy to go to the store.
Yeah, that's the trade-off, isn't it? I found that curbside pickup is a good middle ground. I can still choose my own items online, but then they bring them out to my car. Most of the big stores, like Kroger and Walmart, offer it now.
That's smart. You know what I really love, though? The farmers markets around Dallas. Have you been to any of them?
I went to the Dallas Farmers Market downtown once. It was interesting, but I felt like it was more of a tourist attraction than a place to do regular grocery shopping. The produce was beautiful, but pretty expensive.
That one can be touristy, but there are smaller neighborhood farmers markets that are more reasonable. The one in Deep Ellum on weekends has great prices, and everything is so fresh. Plus, you can talk directly to the people who grew your food.
That does sound appealing. Do they have good variety year-round, or is it pretty seasonal?
It's definitely seasonal, but Texas has such a long growing season that there's usually something good available. Spring and fall are the best times, though. Right now, we're getting into citrus season, and the grapefruit from the Rio Grande Valley is incredible.
That sounds good. You know, going back to regular grocery stores, do you have loyalty cards for all these different places? I feel like my wallet is full of store cards.
Oh my gosh, yes, I have so many loyalty programs, but honestly, they're worth it. I save probably $30 or $40 a month just from the digital coupons and member discounts. Tom Thumb especially has great deals if you use their app.
That's a lot. I mostly stick with the Kroger card because of their fuel points program. Every time I buy groceries, I earn points toward discounts at their gas stations. With gas prices these days, those discounts really add up.
That's such a good point about gas rewards. I never really thought about that benefit. It makes grocery shopping feel like it's saving you money in multiple ways.
Exactly. And speaking of saving money, do you ever use the in-store bakeries and deli sections? I feel like people overlook those sometimes.
Oh, I love the bakery sections. Central Market has an amazing in-store bakery. Their bread is baked fresh daily and their pastries are restaurant quality. It's so much better than the packaged stuff.
And the deli counters can be great for quick meals. Sometimes I'll grab some sliced meats and cheese for easy sandwiches during the week. It's more expensive than the packaged stuff, but the quality is usually worth it.
Well, I think we've covered the grocery shopping landscape pretty well today.
We really have. Thanks so much for listening to Natural English Conversations, everyone. We hope this discussion about grocery shopping in Dallas was helpful for your English learning.
Next week, we'll be talking about transportation in Dallas, buses, trains, and driving. It should be another great conversation for practicing everyday English.
Until then, keep practicing your English, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.